Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Nissan Altima louder. Easy method. Begin by testing baseline noise and inspecting the exhaust for clamps and resonators to remove. Remove the resonator or replace the muffler with a performance unit, tighten clamps, and check for leaks. Reassemble carefully, start the engine, and measure decibels again to confirm the change and ensure safe operation. Plan the modification by selecting parts that match your goals and budget, such as a straight pipe, muffler delete, or performance muffler. Prepare a safe workspace and raise the car on jack stands, secure it, and disconnect the battery if needed. Replace hardware with stainless components, follow fitment instructions, and double-check clearances to prevent rattles or heat damage. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and hit like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: check out the Echo Dot smart speaker shown here for great audio while you work on your car. It's a fun companion that keeps music lively and hands-free control handy. Look in the description for the link and other deals. Thanks for watching, and now let's get back to the video. Work methodically. Loosen clamps, remove the resonator or muffler section, and dry fit the new piece before final tightening to ensure alignment. Use new clamps and gaskets, torque bolts evenly, and clear any heat-sensitive items from contact. After installation, start the engine, listen for odd noises, and perform a quick road test to confirm the sound level and drivability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.